With this little kit, you can grow your own fresh herbs right on your kitchen bench. This Hydrogarden all-in-one kit has everything you need to get started inside, including some basil and coriander seeds. The seeds are sown directly into these vermiculite-filled grow pods. So lift off these little grids and remove the foam blocks. Then sprinkle in the seeds and tickle larger seeds like coriander lightly into the vermiculite. But you won't need to do this with tiny seeds like basil. The Hydrogarden is perfect for growing a range of compact plants. So you can even have a go at growing leafy greens, flowers, and even compact chilies and tomatoes. Next, add the grid covers back on, and it's time to add the water up to the fill line. Then add the grow light attachment and plug it in. The switch for turning on and changing the light colour is at the end here. Press it once and the white LED grow light will come on. Press it a second time and you'll notice the light change to a pinky red. This red light mode aids seed germination and also flower and fruit production. And once you've got it set in this red light mode, you can also set the light to a timer. If you want to set the timer, push and hold the button down for a few seconds and the indicator light here will turn from red to purple. So your smart garden will stay on for 16 hours and turn off for 8 hours. It's completely set and forget. If you're growing flowering and fruiting crops like chilies and tomatoes, then keep the light in this red mode throughout the growing process and you'll get a bigger harvest. Because the vermiculite these plants are growing in has no nutritional value, we need to add it in. A week after the seeds have germinated, add 1 to 2 drops of the included fertiliser into the water reservoir. This smart water garden has a low water alert, so when you hear it beep, it's time to refresh the water and the fertiliser. And don't forget to pick your herbs. Picking a few leaves often will encourage lush new growth. When your plants have finished producing, pull them out, add new vermiculite to the grow pods and plant a new crop of flowers, herbs or vegetables.